PRMT inhibitors have been looked at extensively in the context of cancer models that are, totally not related to what we're looking into them for. Additionally, the cancer models using those drugs are using super, super high doses of them and things like that. So they're not very analogous uses of this family of drugs, what we're looking into for ALS, and then the cancer specialists looking into these molecules for at very high doses for anti-cancer therapy and things like that. But as a result, the experts in the field in PRMT biology are cancer scientists who tend to not know very much about ALS. And one of the interesting things that we found is speaking with experts in PRMT and cancer biology has gotten them interested in looking at ALS in relationship to these drugs. And we've actually managed to pull in scientists who don't study ALS to get more interested in pushing funds of their own towards studying these drugs in the context of neurobiology, which is really cool. And I think certainly unique to TDI in some ways in terms of being willing to collaborate in that way, even in such an unconventional type of way with a lab that isn't ALS focused, to pool the most knowledge and resources to make sure that we know as much as we possibly can about the target and don't neglect any sort of expert knowledge that's already been established before we deep dive into using them for ALS. So we've been pretty transparent about every step of that, and we definitely don't do it alone. We purposefully engage with lots of collaborators and make sure that we're sharing ideas and not missing anything to make this the most effective as quickly as possible.